Now to the uncertain future for Kodak as the Rochester-born company warns its debt may impact operations. We also have team coverage on this big story tonight following the hometown company's dismal earnings report and the drastic measures Kodak could take to pay creditors. 13 Web's Natalie Calzatoni is standing by. We're going to begin, though, with Lowell Rose, who's been digging into those numbers today. Lowell, good evening.
Good evening, Matt. On paper, this appears grim for the Eastman Kodak company, but financial experts in the company itself believe it will have enough cash to pay off its debt. However, concerns remain about its future.
There is substantial doubt about its ability to continue as a going concern.
A going concern issued by Eastman Kodak in a filing to the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission and on Kodak's second quarter earnings call Monday.
Anytime we see a going concern disclosure, it really means that there's a serious concern that the company may no longer be in business.
George Conboy, chairman of Brighton Securities, says while it sounds concerning, Kodak will more than likely be fine. Kodak released a statement to 13 Wham saying, in part, the going concern language in Kodak's 10Q is essentially required disclosure because Kodak's debt comes due within 12 months of the filing. Kodak is confident it will be able to pay off a significant portion of its term loan well before it becomes due.
We plan to use excess assets to pay down debt and reduce our interest costs, allowing Kodak to continue to invest in profitable growth businesses.
Kodak expects to receive about $500 million from the reversion and settlement of its pension fund, expected to be finalized in December. Conboy believes retirees will be fine because their pension payments will be funded by an insurance company, but he has concerns for current employees.
The reality is that even though Kodak will be, so to speak, paying off a lot of its obligations with this pension windfall, the fact is going forward, they're still not making money consistently.
We are committed to working through the uncertain business environment and executing our long-term plan and delivering shareholder value for all of our investors.
Kodak says once the reversion of its pension plan is complete, the company will be debt-free, adding it will have a stronger balance sheet than it has in years. Matt?
Lowell, thank you very much. Kodak's uncertain future also generating a lot of talk around town. We continue our team coverage now with Natalie Calzatoni tonight. Natalie, good evening.
Good evening, Matt. I'm told Kodak film has always been a staple at Scott's Photo. I spoke with a longtime manager who has witnessed Kodak's highs and lows. The shop's manager, Jim Brennan, has worked in Rochester's photography business for more than 50 years. He tells me the all-too-familiar yellow and red film boxes still fly off the shelf. The Eastman Kodak company warned investors Tuesdays its debt may be a concern for operations. Brennan says he remains optimistic for the company's future.
Kodak was it. I mean, they made every kind of film you could possibly imagine. They dominated the market. They made everything pretty much locally here. I have faith that it's going to continue. You know, they've gone through hard times before, but we just got to get through this one. They're in debt. They can sell off other things to make it profitable again, hopefully.
Again, the Eastman Kodak company said it is confident it will be able to work out upcoming debt obligations. Matt?